Sarah has 8 weeks to fix the BeanThere Coffee problem. At the start, the average customer wait time is 8.2 minutes, walkaways are at 22%, and the estimated weekly loss is 1,200 pounds. The first step is to frame the problem clearly. Sarah defines the target. Reduce wait time from 8.2 minutes to under 4 minutes, reduce walkaways from 22% to 0, and protect weekly revenue. Next, she gets the data. She observes the morning rush, tracks each step in the process, and records where the delays happen. The data shows the biggest delays are order taking, drink making, and payment. Sarah then uses Pareto thinking to find the vital few causes creating most of the waiting time. Instead of trying to fix everything at once, she focuses on the biggest opportunities first. Then she picks the quick wins. These include pre-staging cups, improving the order flow, separating payment from drink making, and making the workspace easier for the team to use. Next, Sarah rolls out the fixes. The team tests the changes, checks the impact, and keeps what works. Finally, Sarah holds the gain. She tracks the results daily and makes the new process the normal way of working. 8 weeks later, the results are clear. Average wait time drops to 3.6 minutes, walkaways fall to 4%, and the weekly loss reduces to 150 pounds. BeanThere Coffee has cut the wait, improved the customer experience, and protected revenue. This is what practical Lean Six Sigma looks like. Measure, analyze, improve, and control. Go further in your continuous improvement journey with SimplicityHub.